Matrix stands as one of India's leading suppliers of rosemary extracts, and our rosemary harvesting program sets the standard for sustainability. The journey begins in the western region of India, specifically in the drought affected area near the city of Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Matrix Life Science meticulously harvests tons of rosemary. Given rosemary's resilience to high temperatures, our expert team at Matrix initiated a thoughtful approach in 2018. We planted a few crops at the nursery level within our facility premises, and the outcome was remarkable. The successful yield provided us with all the essential extracts present in the rosemary plant. Through continuous research and development on rosemary leaves and extracts each year, we have achieved the successful cultivation of 80 hectares of rosemary farms. Annually, we process 2,000 metric tons of dried rosemary leaves. Agriculture holds a crucial role in India as many industries in the country are predominantly reliant on it. India, known as a land of agriculture and farmers, sees these cultivators employing traditional manual harvesting methods to enhance crop yields as emphasized on.
माझं नाव सोनी संदीप लाटे. 3 वर्षापासून काम करते इथं मॅट्रिक्स कंपनीसोबत रोजमेरीमध्ये. गावाजवळच आहे आमच्यावाल्या. गावापासून काही दूर जावा नाही लागत. त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला रोजगार चांगला भेटतो इथं.
Once the rosemary crop matures, it is cut and gathered collectively by the farmers and is kept under the sun for drying. This low-tech and efficient drying method for this rosemary involves harnessing the power of sun.
गुरपताबाई गाळे आम्ही आता पहिल्यानं लावलेलंच नाही. आता हे नवीनच लावलं. समजा कंपनीनं दिलं आम्हाला हे लावायला. आम्ही लावणी केली. आता ते 5 महिने झाले त्याला लावून. आता कंपनीनं आम्हाला खूप मदत केली. खत टाकलं, फवारण्या दिल्या, सारं केलं आम्ही. आता कापायला आलेलं आहे. आता कापणी झाल्यानंतर उजूक आता पाळ्या खत आहे टाकावंच लागेल. खुरपण चालूच आहे. त्याच्यापासून कशाचीच काही आम्हाला त्रास नाही. त्याच्यामध्ये आम्ही भाजी केली, गोबी केली. त्याच्यामध्ये आम्ही का उजूक पण धनी कोथिंबीर केली, वांग्या लावल्या, काही मिरच्या लावल्या. सारं केलं, चांगलं केलं. सारं आम्ही पद्धतशीर केलं. आता चांगलं माल आला ह्यो आमचा.
Once the complete harvesting is done, the leaves are loaded for further processing and taken to the factory for extractions.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sudhakar Hakella and I'm heading R&D department at Matrix Life Science. In R&D, we develop innovative processes for rosemary extraction, starting from sampling to the final testing of rosemary leaves. Our state-of-art equipment and facilities are integral in maintaining the highest standards of rosemary extraction. We guarantee potency and purity of our rosemary extracts, that is carnosic acid, ursolic acid and rosmarinic acid. These extracts are widely used in various industries, largely as antioxidants in pet food, meat, and food and beverage applications. Also, they have other applications like cosmetic, nutraceutical, and animal feeds.